All right, people, we got another one. I hope you're all doing well out there, by the way. So today we're about to unbox the Shovan Galaxy LED Projector Light. All right, but before all that, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. Don't forget to turn on your notification, turn on that bell, ding, 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 turn it on so you won't be missing out when we go live. We love you all here and we love your support. So without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people. So I'm going to leave all, the important details, this full specification of the product, and the parameters of the product parameters. I'm gonna leave that as well on screen and right down below in the description box for those of you that are interested of finding out in details what this is all about. So this is a Galaxy LED Projector Light. It comes with a remote control. Okay, so 15 lighting modes in total. All right, so I'm gonna unbox this thing and we'll see exactly what this is all about. All right, let's do it. Let me show you a little bit what a box is all about so you know exactly what you're getting, because there's loads of fakes out there, so make sure you're getting the right one. All right, I'm gonna leave the links. I got this from Amazon, by the way, and I am going to leave the links right down below. All right, let's unbox this thing quickly. Let's see what's inside the box. That's what we're here for. Okay, so we greeted with this, whatever that is, a little bit of notes. I guess this is the manual. Okay, put on the side for now. Well, this is pretty huge though. This is pretty huge compared to what I was seeing on the web. This is huge. Okay, let's take it out. Okay. Well, this is big. This is proper huge. I'm gonna show you in details in a minute. Let me put it on the side. What else is inside the box? We've got the cable. Okay. And the remote control. But the remote control you need a battery for the remote control. All right. What else is in there? Nothing else. Okay. So that's what's inside the box. Inside the box, we got a projector. Let me take that off. Pretty huge. Okay, this projector is huge, no joke. Okay, the cable, you know what to do with this, remote control, and the manual. Okay. The controller takes a free AA, free AA batteries. Okay, that do not come, so you're gonna have to get that yourself. So these steps right here, I call them steps. These gonna help. These are the things that are gonna help you adjust the light, either up, upward, downward, whatever direction in which you want them to. You want the light to be pointing at. All right. Show you a little bit what you can expect, out of the box. By the way. I hope you can see all that, but you're about to see the spectacle in a minute. Oh yeah, I don't want to oversell it to you because I'm not selling, as you know. Okay, so let's get down to business, man. Let's get down to business. So let's talk a little bit about the controller. All right. So on the controller, we've got the first button is laser, B plus the second, LED is the third, S minus choice, S plus LED modes, B minus resets. On the big red button right here is the on and off button, because on the physical hardware, you know, the projector itself, there is no button. There's no on and off button on there. So just bear that in mind. The controller, your controller, is going to control the projector. So you got to take care of that. So now I'm gonna turn it on and let's see what the spectacle is all about. Let's do it, people. A big warning for this: make sure when you turn it on that the light or the bulb, you know, the light is, you know, don't look at the light, okay? That's all I got to say, all right? It's very dangerous. Don't look at the light, okay? Make sure you turn it away like so, okay? So I'm gonna do that right now. So depending on the surface, this may tend to roll, all right? If there is any issue like that, just block it with something else, like so, all right? I'm gonna block it with my PS4 controller for now. Let's turn this thing on and see what it's all about. Let's go. Come on now. Woo. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't turn on the main. Now, let's put it on and see what this is all about. Okay, it's coming on. Whoa. Whoa, this is beautiful. I'm gonna show you. That's the first one. Interesting, interesting. All right, let me just pause for a second and pull this up so you can see what we are enjoying right now. Let me, I'm going on vlog mode right now. Tell you exactly what you getting straight out of the box with these lights. So we got seven colors on lighting mode, which is 15 as for what I read earlier. Now, out of the box you gain the stars, the star and nebula, number 2, nebula, lights, number 3, stars. As you can see, the nebula's hologram of the, you know, of the nebula. You can clearly see it just by pressing the big old the red bit, you know, the red button straight up. This is what we gain without manipulating, without touching anything. The lights, all my lights are on. For now, I'm gonna turn off the lights so you can see how deep and how bright this thing gets. Just be careful. Don't look at the lights. Don't look at the laser, because that can be dangerous. Let me press laser and see what we gain. All right, that's laser off, laser on. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop talking and show you the whole ambience. Light on, light off, everything gonna be on right now. All right, I don't want the video to be too long. Let's do it. it's pretty much the end of the video. All right, I'm gonna come back with the review of this projector, the Shovan LED projector. I will be back with the review. So I hope this was helpful, and if so, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. Don't forget to turn on your notification, guys. Don't forget to turn on your notification. We love you all here, and we love your support. So with all, as usual, keep it safe, keep it lit, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it, people. Peace.